Mangroves are robust shrubs and trees thriving mainly in salt water, typically along sheltered coastlines and tidal rivers. These remarkable forests flourish in tropical and subtropical intertidal zones, predominantly between latitudes 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south, with the densest concentrations found within 5 degrees of the equator. Although mangrove forests constitute less than 1% of tropical forests and under 0.4% of the world's total forested area, they play an invaluable role. Mangrove ecosystems are crucial for maintaining ecological balance, enhancing climate resilience, and supporting human well-being. They provide essential breeding and nursery grounds for many marine and terrestrial species and act as natural barriers for coastal areas by reducing wave energy and storm surges during cyclones, typhoons, and tsunamis. These ecosystems store 3 to 5 times more carbon than upland tropical rainforests and 10 times more carbon per hectare in their soil and biomass than terrestrial forests, making them vital in combating climate change. Globally, mangroves are at significant risk of being eradicated. According to the Global Mangrove Alliance, over 43% of global mangrove forests have been lost due to aquaculture, deforestation, oil palm plantations, and rice cultivation between 2000 and 2020. Overall, mangroves are disappearing 3 to 5 times faster than global forest losses. Without proper conservation and restoration efforts, mangrove ecosystems will struggle to recover. To safeguard and conserve these crucial ecosystems, it is vital to comprehend the challenges or threats that mangrove ecosystems face, which endanger their existence and the essential services they offer. The main challenges include 1. Climate change. Mangrove ecosystems are sensitive to sea level changes. While gradual changes are manageable, rapid rises can drown mangroves if sediment accumulation is insufficient. Hurricanes, cyclones, and typhoons can uproot mangroves, disrupt sediment deposition, and increase salinity, all of which harm their growth. Additionally, extreme temperatures can stress mangroves and hinder their ability to regenerate. 2. Land conversion. Coastal development for agriculture, aquaculture, and infrastructure often leads to the destruction of mangrove forests. Urbanization results in large-scale mangrove loss. Shrimp farming is a significant contributor to mangrove deforestation, with forests being cleared for aquaculture ponds. Converting mangrove areas into farmland also reduces their habitat, leading to soil salinization and degradation. 3. Coastal pollution. Runoff from agricultural activities, industrial waste, and plastic pollution severely harm mangrove ecosystems. Excessive nutrients from fertilizers can cause eutrophication, altering water chemistry and stressing mangroves. Heavy metals, chemicals, and oil spills can poison mangroves, damaging their roots and overall health. Plastic accumulation can suffocate mangrove roots or harm associated marine life. 4. Deforestation and overexploitation. Mangroves are frequently harvested for timber, firewood, and charcoal at unsustainable rates, exceeding their ability to regenerate. Annually, about 1% of global mangrove forests are lost due to this overharvesting. This unsustainable exploitation disrupts the ecological balance of mangrove ecosystems, with over half of the world's mangroves at risk of collapsing by 2050. 5. Sedimentation and erosion. Increased sediment loads from upstream activities can smother mangroves and impede their growth. Excessive sediment from upstream deforestation and mining can bury mangroves, suffocating their roots and impeding nutrient exchange. Conversely, loss of sediment due to upstream damming or coastal development can expose mangrove roots, making them vulnerable. 6. Lack of awareness and policy. Limited public understanding of the ecological and economic importance of mangroves results in inadequate conservation efforts. Many communities undervalue mangroves, focusing on short-term economic gains from clearing them. Poor enforcement of conservation laws and lack of incentives for sustainable practices hinder mangrove protection efforts. In summary, considering the vital role of mangroves in providing coastal protection, carbon storage, and crucial habitats for biodiversity, it is imperative to safeguard them through sustainable practices, restoration projects, and climate adaptation measures. Tackling these challenges requires coordinated local efforts, supportive policy changes, and global cooperation. To enhance public awareness about the crucial role of mangrove ecosystems and to promote their sustainable management and conservation, UNESCO has designated July 26th each year as the International Day for the Conservation of the Mangrove Ecosystem, also known as World Mangrove Day, since 2016.